They ate practically anything they could fit into their mouths.
Oh, good. Yeah. Oh,
Rats, mice,
Lizard.
snails, baby birds. It was the toad equivalent of fucking Kirby.
Today we're going to be watching some MoreParz about a Avengers level threat that is taking over Australia. That is apparently a toad, which is a very interesting notion considering what else is in Australia. So I don't know. Let's see why this is happening.
Australia is home to some of the deadliest animals on the planet.
We've seen a few. Oh,
but what if I told
kangaroos.
you there's one creature they all fear? An invasive species, millions strong, wiping out native animals.
What?
That we are locked in combat
Hold on. Wiped out the crocodiles? What?
with to this very day.
That sounds like the
What kind
Ebu.
of vile beast is capable of spreading such reckless hate? The answer is this fat fucking toad.
That is a big ass toad. I will say that. But how? Okay, enlighten me.
But how did this war begin?
Please.
Well, to answer your question, we're going to have to go way back.
Oh?
The year is 1866.
Oh,
we
we're
are
in
in
yeehaw
the land
times.
Down under, and our story begins the same way many tragedies do.
Fucking kangaroos,
with
man.
the British.
Of course.
You see, having gone hippity-hoppity, your ancestral home is now my property, around 90 years back, the Brits were in full swing, rampantly colonising the country.
Of course.
Part of that included agriculture. Now, they brought with them
guess.
many crops, but the important one is...
Did I just see a cucumber and some Vaseline? Okay, let's move on.
in this story is sugarcane.
Okay.
Sugar is valuable, not
At
only
the
for
time,
trade,
extremely.
but also because, well, the fucking tea isn't going to sweeten itself, is it?
I don't think it's because of the tea, though.
But you see, sugarcane only grows
That is
in
too
the heat, which
fucking
ruled out
American.
The country.
Mm-hmm.
It all
Well, okay. I can guarantee you it's not going to grow in the middle of the country, because as far as I'm aware, there isn't much in, like, central Australia in terms of human habitation.
also likes humid environments, which ruled out Western Australia,
Oh, really?
which left them with one option.
Okay.
So, the cane farmers loaded up their first Stardew Valley save in Queensland.
I still haven't played Stardew Valley, but I have played, like, Terraria and other stuff, but I don't think it's, like, the same type of game. I don't know. What was that game? Way back when caveman times. It was like Stardew Valley, but it was on the Game Boy. It was something about farming. I gotta remember what the name was. But a lot of people seem to like Stardew Valley.
In 1866. But the farmers ran into an issue.
Which is?
Queensland is home to these nifty little bugs called
What?
Dermalopida albahertum.
What?
These are native beetles that hit their macros by
Those are
munching
big.
on plant leaves.
Oh, I mean,
So
so do
when cane
most.
farmers joined the Queensland Minecraft server and set up a fucking Hermitcraft-sized farm, the beetles were in heaven and
Yeah, I
set
bet.
to work demolishing the plant leaves. Now, funnily enough, the adult bugs weren't actually the problem.
Well, yeah, it's usually the what was it called? Nematodes? Like the larvae, right? They're usually the one that eat all the actual, like, plant life. Same way as the centipedes, not centipedes, the the wormy things before they turn into bugs.
Sugarcane leaves hold full value, but the problem is that with such an abundant food source, the bugs
Probably
started
multiplied.
multiplying,
Yeah, I
laying
bet.
their eggs around the base of the plants.
Makes
These
sense.
eggs hatched into larvae, and unlike the grown-ups, these little worms don't eat the leaves.
No?
They eat the roots.
Oh.
And so the sugarcane
shit.
starts getting
That's bad.
absolutely fucking spit roasted.
Yeah,
and the farmers can
Wait, hold up. So, okay. So I was wrong. Apparently the larvae eat the roots and the actual bugs eat the top of the plants. Ah, okay. Well, That might be a bit of a problem. Wait. Did they think the solution was to introduce a bunch of toads to eat the bugs? Please tell me that is not what they did. Oh my god.
Do nothing but watch as sugarcane yield plummets through the floor along with their profits. This whole situation really pissed off the farmers, who banded together, went to the Australian government, and told them to fix it. Sir, a horde of creatures is destroying the cane fields.
And how did they fix it?
And so the Queensland government founded the Bureau of Sugar Experimentation Stations, or the BSES, in 1900.
That's an actual bureau.
Crack scientists then immediately set out trying to solve the very same issue every single Factorio player faces. This place is covered in bugs. They are breaking my shit. How do I violently slaughter the local wildlife in order to expand capitalism?
Nonsense. Peaceful misunderstandings.
And my profit margins. The BSES pondered this question for 25 fucking years.
Are you shitting me?
They tried spraying chemical insecticides.
Yeah, I was gonna ask, like, why didn't they do this? Doesn't that help? Usually does. Kind of fucks up the plant, but considering it's so heavily processed, maybe it's not as bad? Probably better than shoving a bunch of invasive species, which I'm gonna guess is what happened, considering the toad is everywhere, according to him.
Didn't work. They tried injecting insecticides into the soil. Didn't work.
That would probably be very bad for the plant.
Releasing the fucking cordyceps fungus, and it still didn't work.
Well, yeah, okay, hold up. The cordyceps is very, as far as I remember from other stuff I've watched, is very specific to exact species. And it doesn't just infect any bug. I think it worked mostly on ants and spiders, if I remember correctly. I don't know if it works that much on, like, beetles and larvae. So maybe that was an issue?
Then, one day in the office, while pondering this question, Jamwon had an idea.
Oh no. That cannot be a good thing.
Okay, we are getting outmaneuvered by the cast of Bugs Life. Someone in this office, please give me anything.
All right, let's hear the ideas. Chop chop, come on.
What about cane toads? What?
The fuck?
Cane toads. Those big fucking fat things that exist in the cane fields in Hawaii.
In Hawaii? Okay.
It's a frog. They eat bugs. We just introduce an invasive species to fix a problem caused by an invasive species.
Okay, so it was exactly what I thought. It was their idea of fixing this. Oh, come on, really? Wait, wasn't this an issue with... crap, was it? Didn't really release, like, rabbits somewhere, and now it's completely infested by rabbits? Wait, was that also Australia? I honestly don't remember anymore.
I mean, what could possibly go wrong?
Famous last words.
And so, in June of 1936, 2,400 brave cane divers were deployed to the field to deal with the arthropod menace.
Oh, dear.
But there's just one small issue.
They multiplied?
Cane toads were fucking dog shit.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Funnily enough, big, fat, slow, ground-dwelling toads were not exactly the smartest solution to deal with beetles that spend the majority of their adult life 6 meters off the fucking ground.
Fair enough.
On top of that, cane toads don't dig for food either. So they didn't eat the larvae.
Yeah, they can't eat the larvae.
This all sounds like information that should have come up.
Wait, how did... why did it decide on cane toads then? Just because they lived in sugarcane fields in Hawaii? And they thought that was what dealt with... I mean, I'm going to assume that the pests that they dealt with in Hawaii, if that's what they did, lived on the ground as opposed to in the air and underground. Okay.
During the research and study phase of the plan.
Yeah, I would assume so, but apparently not.
This, however, implies that there was a research and study phase.
I see they're taking the academia method of implementing things.
BSES did not conduct a single fucking study
At all?
on environmental impact before releasing
But that's
an
their entire
army
job.
of cane toads. Are you This complete absence of brain cells caused a rather spectacular domino effect
Yeah, I fucking bet.
ecological ups. And it's going to teach you a valuable lesson about invasive species.
Okay.
You see, while the cane toads barely ate what they were supposed to,
They probably ate
did
everything
eat.
else.
And as incredibly large omnivorous toads, they ate practically anything they could fit into their mouths.
Oh, good. Yeah. Oh,
Rats, mice, snails, baby birds. It was the toad equivalent of fucking Kirby.
Well, I mean,
And then,
yeah.
not unlike the exact problem they were brought here to solve, with all that food,
Let me guess, they multiplied.
they started reproducing.
Yeah, no shit. Oh, boy.
A lot.
Yeah,
In fact,
bet.
female cane toads can lay anywhere between 8,000 to 30,000 fucking eggs per clutch.
30 fucking thousand eggs. Hold on. That's like octopus level bullshit. Okay. Oh my god, yeah. That's fuck the rabbits. This is just much faster multiplication. Okay. I wonder, since they're an invasive species, I doubt anything actively hunted their eggs. So they disproportionately managed to multiply. Oh my.
I mean, this should not be too much of a problem. Australia is home to some of the deadliest creatures on the planet.
This is true. I mean, you have spiders that eat birds. So there has to be something that eats these things.
Surely, the local wildlife has this under control.
Yeah, right?
Wait, what?
Cane
Cane toads, they're poisonous.
Oh,
Those little bulges
fucking
on the
fantastic.
shoulder, and those
Of course
are
they are.
parotid glands, and they are packed to the brim with bufotoxin.
Okay,
No,
sure.
It's not a D's nuts joke.
Really? Isn't it?
Now,
Isn't it though?
whenever the adult toads are threatened, they will squirt this white, sticky fluid out of the glands. And when ingested, it does two things. One, makes you trip absolute balls.
Wait. Is this where licking toads comes from? Is this actually the toad that the licking toads like thing comes from, or is it other toads? Is it like the poisonous ones in like other areas, or is it probably this?
Thanks to the hallucinogenic bufotenin.
Of course.
And two, the other ingredient, bufogen,
Let me
just straight up gives you a fucking heart attack.
Fantastic.
It's important to note that this toxin is also present in their eggs and tadpoles. Now, in their natural habitat, this isn't as much of a problem.
Really? Why?
Because everything around them has had thousands of years to get good and deal with this fuck-ass poison.
Fair enough. I mean, this is what I meant.
Immunity or learning to eat around the glands.
Yeah, that's what I said. Like, considering they're an invasive species, they don't really have like predators that are specialized into hunting these things. Okay.
Australia is not their ecosystem. And despite all of the deadly animals we've got, they have had a grand total of 5 minutes to adapt to the presence of the fucking Calid toad. Now, quick question for the class.
Yes?
What happens to an animal population when there is nothing to eat it?
Kaboom?
It gets bigger. And so, shortly after being introduced, a rapidly expanding tyrannid swarm of toads began to spread across the country.
How many are there then?
Noticed this and did fucking nothing.
Of course. Well, I mean, to be fair, they apparently took 25 years to come up with this solution. So, you know, I'm not that surprised, apparently. So, they have to have tried something. So...
Because it technically didn't affect the sugar cane. The swarm spread further,
my God.
occupying all inhabitable parts of Queensland, and they were laying so many fucking eggs that their clutches began polluting the waterways like a bufotoxin teabag, killing native fish, as well as any animals that drank from the water.
Yeah, that includes you, I would wager.
The BSES
probably did nothing because it doesn't
Those
involve
eggs
the
hatched
king.
into tadpoles, which started killing more fish. The BSES still did nothing.
Well, they were made to deal with sugarcane, and animals are not sugarcane. See, it says right here on this paper. They're not sugarcane. Not my problem.
The swarm advanced, breaching into the Northern Territory and New South Wales. When questioned, the BSES insisted the toads were doing their jobs and everything was fine.
Wait, there's no toads. What did it say? Hold on. Come on.
The toads were doing their jobs and
there are no toads in the Australian wilderness. Nope, none at all. To be fair, did they spread into like Central Australia? Because that would be funny.
everything was fine. By the 1980s, the toads were now starving out or just fucking eating local wildlife.
Oh, good.
And one-shotting anything that tried to eat them.
Yeah.
And considering, at this point, there were 5 fucking million of them, that
delightful.
happened a lot. So
yeah, like multiplication of like animals like this is geometric and not linear, so I can imagine the numbers going quite bananas.
With local wildlife being absolutely fucking decimated, the BSES was forced to acknowledge that maybe, just maybe...
Oh my god, did they do something? There may be a problem?
But, oh well, everyone makes mistakes. Nothing we can do about it. No! They left it for the government to clean up.
Wait, they are the government, aren't they?
A second horde of creatures has escaped the cane field.
Jesus.
Fuck! Yeah, they realised just how much damage was being done, and in 1986 began funneling federal funds into controlling the population.
Oh, and
they tried
what did they do?
Trapping and physically removing the
How the fuck are you gonna physically remove 5 million toads? What? Okay.
toads, but unless they had 5 million traps,
I was gonna say
that wasn't going to do shit. Biological warfare was proposed in the form of releasing viruses and parasites.
Yeah, considering how many of those there are and things still try to eat them, that's gonna absolutely destroy the ecosystem.
But was shot down because it would do just as much damage to the native wildlife.
Yeah, I bet.
And so, the toad front continues to advance to this day.
Oh, good.
So where does that leave us? Short answer is kind of fucked. Cane toads now threaten a total of 75 native species.
Oh, good.
And they've even driven populations of animals like the northern quoll.
Aw, that's adorable. Look at its nice bumpy nose. Let me guess, considering it's Australian, it's probably a vicious hunter or poisonous and or venomous.
To complete extinction in parts of the country they infest. And with the population
still a little better
now
than
sitting
complete
at
extinction, I guess.
200 fucking million toads, that infestation is spreading, with predictions showing they will be fucking up ecosystems in 5 states in the near future. And given that they have amassed a population 10 times the size of the humans in Australia, the government has completely fucking abandoned the fight for eradication.
Wait, what?
Switching focus to harm reduction.
Are you serious?
Bait toads covered in non-lethal but unpleasant substances.
What?
To try to teach local wildlife that toad bad. On top of
that's not gonna work, but okay.
this, the government has encouraged the broader public to, just fucking kill the toads.
I mean...
You are...
Yeah, about this. There was an issue with this. I think it was in India? Back when the British Empire was there. They had a problem with cobras. I don't remember which type. But the issue was they offered a monetary reward for the cobras, like for killing the cobras and bringing them in to get a reward. The idea was, you clean up the area with the cobras and you get something out of it. What the people did was catch the cobras, breed them, kill a few, bring them in for reward, and then keep breeding them to bring in more for more rewards. And when they stopped giving rewards, they just released all the red cobras, and now there were more cobras than before. So, okay.
Supposed to do it humanely by catching them and sticking them in a freezer for 48 hours.
How about no?
Most people don't want a frog taking up their freezer space.
Yeah, I bet.
So they just use a golf club or a car. And with this being Australia, our wildlife is also putting up a fight. Keelback snakes, for example, are immune to their venom, and Ricali and magpies have learned to flip them onto their backs before getting a feed. Now, jokes aside,
I guess because of the
I feel
glands.
genuinely f***ing awful for? The toads.
Really?
They didn't ask for any of this shit.
Well, this is
They
true.
just got dumped onto a random island and did their thing, and now they are being actively hunted. No. The assholes in this story are the BSES and the cane growers.
Well, the BSES apparently did nothing but shove the cane toads and then decide it's no longer their problem. And the farmers, just wanted profits.
Because you may be thinking, why were they allowed to do this shit in the first place?
Money.
Well, that's the neat part. They weren't.
What?
The federal government banned the f***ing idea when they came up for it in 1935.
Wait, they just
based
did it?
on the advice of entomologists who rightly presumed the
they just
toads
did this
would become
thing?
a bigger
With no
issue
permission?
than the beetles. But the
no.
BSES and the cane growers lobbied to have the ban lifted in 1936. We are stuck.
Okay. So it was money. Never mind. They got permission. Technically.
In permanent toad combat.
Toad combat.
Because these dickheads looked at scientific advice
and said nah.
And went nah.
Yeah. Let's be fair. This is something that happens a lot today. Yeah.
G'day, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thank you so much for watching. This is the first crack I have taken at a long form on this channel.
So he has, yes.
And I'm not going to lie, I had a lot of fun working on it. So
it was very fun to watch.
Enjoyed. Also, a quick announcement if anyone missed it. We're partnered with Gamersubs now. The link in the code is in the description.
Watching his video, watching his ads.
Grab yourself a tub, man. Also, just want to thank each and every one of you watching this.
Jesus, that was
literally changing my life. That will never not mean the world to me, so thank you. Hope you all have a bloody fantastic rest of your holiday period, and I will see you all next time.
I have to admit, I did not expect toads to be that absurd, but okay.